Hey, this is Lea Bayles with Soul Big Life Coaching. I'm here to invite you to next Wednesday, April 21st, to the Corvallis Chamber of Commerce Women in Business Talk. I'll be talking about how to reclaim your zest for life. Do you ever feel like life and the world just gets so crazy that it's like you're spinning in a washing machine spin cycle? Or do you sometimes feel like even with everything you've created and all the success that you've achieved, there's something missing? Maybe like some part of yourself that's gone missing or something you're hungry or longing for? I've been there too, and so have my clients. When I was in my early 30s, I had a serious immune system crash because I was pushing myself so hard to reach my goals and my big dreams. I discovered a radically different approach. Going for your goals and your big dreams doesn't have to be hard and exhausting. You don't have to lose your real smile, your true self, or your joy in the process. I'd love to show you how to create and achieve lots more in a way that feels not like struggle, but more like play. Join me next Wednesday. You need to pre-register, so go ahead, register today, and then join us next Wednesday for reclaiming your zest for life so that you can find that vital zest, that joy, and wake up every morning feeling lit up and full of purpose and alive and ready to go for your dreams. Thanks so much. See you Wednesday.